Good morning, everybody. Today is October 28th, 2025. Um, it is a Tuesday, and what happens on Tuesdays? Nothing. Nothing happens on Tuesdays. So I am officially gonna be switching to just trading ES and LAM. I will not, and I repeat, I will not be trading NQ ever again. My reasoning is it is extremely manipulated. When I was trading yesterday, I don't have the live up because I rage quit. Not because I was losing. I don't care that I lost. Right? You guys have seen me lose. I have taken some bad losses before, but a $600 loss doesn't really phase me. But just what I was looking at was pure just market manipulation. I don't even know how to explain it. There was no corrective move. Like I would see so many icebergs. I saw 500 sell icebergs at opening range with no retracement, and ES was making that retracement, and then price decides to shoot up another 40 points and kills me. And then we were getting so many sell orders and aggressive, like all these indicators that I have right here going crazy, and price didn't even move an inch, I tell you. Multi-algo. I hate multi-algo. So yeah, I will only be trading YM and NQ now. But I'm going to put this on my side. Okay. S&P is opening up. Hold on. What's the contract on? Give me 1 second. ESZ25. ESCZs. ESZ. No, I guess it's this one. I don't know what do I have on here? I don't need liquidity marker. Trade levels. Prices, no. Don't need that either. Don't need multi-book. Just need this. might take a second. Ooh, ES dropped. No, it's this one for sure. Oh, so fucking annoying. Where's basic tip? Oh. Okay. There it is. Okay. Don't need this, 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 this. Okay. We're officially gonna be trading ES now. Yes, it's coming up into its overnight. As of right now. Looks like we're getting some buy icebergs. Need liquidation. I don't need multi-book. Here's my market pulse. Oh, I already have. I'm retarded. Need price change. No. combine these? No. What the fuck? Okay. We just came into overnight. I'm trying to monitor this as I go. Is it panel 1 and panel 2? It can't just be one panel. What the fuck is going on? Okay, finally. Okay, so what we see here is not this. So I don't need that, right? So looks like we came into some buy icebergs. Clear liquidity level could be 6,900. So that's what, about 15 points away. Could be a possibility. You know how ES moves. ES moves pretty slowly. I don't see any other highlighted key zones. I do see we got another 600 icebergs, right? So we'll see if we break under overnight. It could be a good trade. YM is coming into overnight as well. See how that reacts as well. 15-minute range is about to set very soon. Fuck, that's my dashboard. Micro S&P futures. Man, so it looks like okay. Looks like we might break below. We do see a lot of buy icebergs, corresponding sell icebergs. Let's see if this has any effect if we come into these levels of liquidity, because there's not really anything underneath those levels. Looks like some of it got taken out. We got that 6,900 level. But I want to see a break of overnight first, which is happening. So I might hop into that soon if we get enough strength. Got more sell icebergs. I don't like the corresponding buy icebergs with it. Sellers are in control as of right now. I'm going to take this market sell, guys, in just a second. My stop's going to be above overnight. Delta is dropping. It is at 2,000. but I'm not too concerned because I do see that sellers are in control right now. So full TP is going to be at 900. Nice, nice. Move, did get a lot of buy icebergs. Just still see a lot of sellers in control. Big break out of opening range. I'm gonna add some contracts and continue this movement. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm gonna get out of 5 contracts right here. Still in for 10. Gather up some profit. That's awesome. That's a great move. Seeing some buyers stepping in. It's a big reaction by the buyers. Wow, we completely corrected that. That's interesting. Probably gonna make our way up to overnight. Wow. Complete correction. Cannot believe it. And then another correction downward. I'm gonna get it in at a better price. Oh, actually, I bought out 5 contracts. That's not good. I meant to. Okay, well, I'm out of 5 contracts, I guess. I'm gonna add in 5 more. I like how this is moving. This is moving really well. Just tapping into a lot of iceberg liquidity. Hopefully, we see this push into that 6,900 level. Still see sellers way in control, so hopefully it stays that way. Still seeing more sellers than buy orders. Volume shows sellers. Real big drop under overnight. We could see that corrective move back into overnight. All right, we'll see what happens. We're stacking up orders right here. We do have some incoming buy icebergs, but I see a lot of sellers stepping into the market again. Aggressive sellers. I'm pretty comfortable in this position. I don't see buyers taking over at this moment. Oh no. Okay. Maybe due to the accumulation of buy icebergs, we might see a continuation upward. But I see this consolidating first before we do that, or at least tapping into that 900 level. We are building some orders at 69.15, but 2,900 is just getting so crowded. It's hard to ignore it. It's hard to ignore it. It's the most obvious level of liquidity to be chasing. And it doesn't look like buyers can take over at this moment. Volume has really slowed down. I'm gonna add in another 5 contracts. I like how this is going. And more sell icebergs, more selling pressure as well. I see this picking back down to the downside. Very soon. Taps into some buy icebergs. Some rest and liquidity. Gives me more confidence. I want us to see it get to this little area. I want to see it break past it. If we can't break past it, we might be in a reversal. Seeing orders defend that sell down, but it looks like we're going to get right through it eventually. I'm really stuck in consolidation. I want to see sellers step in, take over. See them pick back up. You do see that 9-10 area growing a little bit. Might be a liquidity block. Could be chasing. Or not. I guess not. Got a lot of sell icebergs coming in. Trying to drag price back down. Oh my god. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck just happened? You got to be shitting me, bro. What? Are you fucking serious? I just hit daily drawdown. What the fuck just happened? Are you kidding me? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I got completely spiked up. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Wow, the order book completely flipped. Oh my god. That is so fucking disgusting. What, did fucking news come out? No, we already had CPI. Wow, dude. Just wow. Just wow, man. Consumer confidence. Of course. That's not even till 9. That's. Oh, I'm gonna lose my shit, man. All my profit gone in the last 2 days. That's fucking gross. That's so fucking gross. That is actually unfucking believable. I was 6 points away from TP, and guess what? Dick candle. Right into my stop, dude. I'm so fucking done with this shit, man. Okay. Well, I guess I gotta get a new account. That's actually great. That's actually fucking great. And they got those Ignite challenges. What's just instance? $291. Let's see how much this. $170. Sorry guys, I gotta get a new fucking account because mine just got blown for no reason. That's actually fucking so stupid. Oh my god. Believe that shit. We got a new account. What are we still thinking? %, consistency rule. Oh, why the fuck did I get this shit? I'm just 15% of 2,500. I can only make $375. The fuck? Why the fuck did I buy this shit? Oh, I guess let's try it out. Ideas is they're gonna be shorts. Well, so the morning isn't great. We got started off by getting wicked out, like completely out of our position. So, I mean, what are we gonna do about that? And that's just how we're gonna analyze this, right? How are we gonna analyze this? I'm also looking at YM right now too. Are we gonna break above overnight in New York? That's a good question. That's a good question. Probably not. I see the rejection. I'm getting a lot of sell icebergs. I'm actually gonna hop into this position. Hop in 10. Go to light on this. TP. $600 level. That's nice. Same big candle flip. That's really nice. Sellers are really holding this up. You see the chase to the upside after that rejection. I'm gonna put in for 5 more. We just have to get to the low end of the range. As long as I don't get wicked out again, that'd be great. Going 1-to-1 on this trade. I'm risking 300 to make 375. And I'm just aiming around this low end of the area. I'd love to see if there's any volume right there. Probably not. I'm into this block, maybe. We're in a condensed volatile block right now. It's right under overnight in New York. I don't really see this flipping bullish. Got too much sell pressure going on. Not enough sell orders to the upside. We got some at 69.25, but I think these are gonna be the better outlier. We'll see. If we're staying under overnight in New York the whole entire time, it's hard to imagine it's gonna flip now. Let me see Delta going down as well. I think there's just a lack of interest to be a buyer. Kind of want to see volume pick up. If it's not going to pick up, I'm going to hop out. It should be a clear choice. I mean, see this building up. We do see this area of liquidity also building up as well. But it just depends on how many buyers are in the market. I'm getting a lot of buy orders. I cannot tell what's going on. It is so slow. I don't even see what's holding it up right now. Ah, shit, we're getting a lot of buyers, aren't we? Let's see if we can get past this ice wall. Man, that's the reason I'm going short, guys. We got a huge ice wall right here. Haven't been able to penetrate it. Volume slowing down towards this ice wall every time, and then we see big rejections. So gives me confidence because this is right here. You'll see overnight in New York, and you see this giant ice wall. We just seen sellers putting their shares in, keeping that price level down. No means does that mean buyer activity, right? I just don't believe it. Could be wrong because I'm seeing some buyer activity, but yet again, we got a nice wall. If we get past it, that's a different story. For what it is, my entry's not that bad, so I'm not complaining. Man, that candle that took me out, it's an 8-point candle. On ES is crazy. Again, we're getting absorption. Sellers are stepping in. Got sellers coming into here. Got some buyers trying to hold it up, but we're getting a lot more aggressive sell orders than we're getting buy orders. And the most condensed part right now of the range. So this area is just starting to condense a lot. Hard to ignore it. Getting a lot of aggressive sellers, but price just does not want to move down. Not just yet. It's gonna pick up very soon. All right. Tapping into some buy icebergs. Come on, baby. Back in profit. Oh, come on. Again? How many times does it have to retest New York and overnight, man? Let's see how YM is looking like. Oh, YM looks clean right now. I'm gonna hop in on those YM shorts. I'm on YM shorts as well. Targeting the low of that. Man, there's like no volume in the markets right now. You guys, I got a position on the Dow and I got a position on S&P right now. I'm waiting for that reaction. Probably coming to these order levels at 69.15. It's about a point and a half away. If not, I mean, this is going to be the main target, 6,900. See if Dow rejects off opening range. I mean, off New York down to opening range. It looks like it should. I only see seller pressure from the Dow. Where we got buyers stepping in right now. $69.25 is getting crowded. Are we going to jump up 10 points headers? Is that the big question? I mean, you can't get past that seller wall. So, I mean, like, that's the only explanation I have. Is we can't even come up to New York because there's just such a heavy sell wall. And, of course, come up into overnight. Of course. The most unlikely chance of this happening happens. Pure rejection. Come on. Stay with that rejection. We have buyers stepping in, but not enough. Not enough. Not enough. My YM position's in play. Volume's picking up on YM. Should be in profit soon on YM. Yes is completely rejecting overnight in New York. Oh. That's not what I wanted to see. Rejection of New York again. How many times do we have to reject off New York VWAP, bro? $271 icebergs. Rejection off New York and overnight for the 15th time. This is why I never traded ES. You gotta wait for some consolidated bullshit. Oh, don't tell me that's gonna be. Oh my god. Both my positions are cooking me right now. I don't understand what's dragging us to go higher besides this liquidity zone, even though we have so many sellers in the market. To me, that makes no fucking sense. Oh my god, no way. I have not shared my screen the whole time. Oh, well, that was a waste of a live. Sorry, guys. Even then, we just broke above overnight. Again, seller wall. Hopefully, we can't get past it. Are we finally seeing that? Have you seen that reaction? I don't know how YM is doing. Coming into New York again. I'm down 47 on YM. But it looks like ES is finally making that move to the downside. It's got a bunch of stops to sweep for sure. Can finally get that break of opening range again. Oh my goodness. Why does ES do this to me? My YM position is looking cooked. Super cooked. Yeah, it looks like YM's gonna hit full loss. That's interesting. I didn't think we were gonna break above New York. Oh, we are. I mean, I thought we were gonna reject off New York. ES is fucking me right now too. ES is still fucking me. And there's nothing I can fucking do. How are both my positions cooked right now? We just got 600 sell icebergs. Okay, what's going on? Yes. YM took full loss. What the fuck? Why is it all colorful? Great. The most unlikely scenario happened. How fucking great is that? Ugh. Such a cooked ass position, bro. I don't understand how we're rejecting off New York completely and overnight for like 25 minutes, and it just randomly decides to break that ice wall. Never coming into these orders at 2900. Like, okay, that's interesting. Finally getting those orders in, or are we just sweeping overnight in New York? Like, we're getting a lot more sellers than buyers. Yes, price is going up, but there's more seller activity. Like, I can't just argue with it. I think we're just sweeping some stops above New York and overnight and might be coming down lower. I'm just holding this position. If you guys want to see it, This is my position at this moment of time. All right, stop right here above overnight in New York, and then we're chasing the bottom right here. Pretty simple trade, not overcomplicating it. No point in overcomplicating it. My YM position got fucking railed though, for no fucking reason too. Not a seller volume. Corresponding buy volume back into New York. Man, fuck off. Not one clear move on the day, man. Oh, God, you gotta be fucking shitting me. Rejection off overnight again. Curious how NQ is looking. NQ looks disgusting. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Bookmap freeze. Yeah. Yep, there it is. The full break of overnight in New York. getting some kind of reaction. Add in one more column. See if this is the reaction we were looking for. I break even now. My amp keeps pushing higher. It's interesting. Let me use the bathroom real quick. lack of buyers in right now. Might take like fucking 3 hours to get that full move.
Americans don't know how to speak English. They're bad at grammar. They're like really bad. To be honest.
Finally getting that drop. Immediately gets corrected. That's fucking ridiculous, dude. Well, my whole position got reversed. Because none of this makes any fucking sense. couldn't break above over New York and overnight the whole session, but it still can't come down to those liquidity levels at 6,900. To me, I find that like particularly insane. I mean, how the fuck does that even happen? What kind? Like, I don't understand the price action nowadays. You got a giant like ice wall protecting that position. You're getting a bunch of sellers coming in, chasing that 6,900, but yet it just gets reversed every time it comes even like close to it. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Like, what kind of market conditions are we in right now? Like, I'm probably going to take full loss on this. This just doesn't make any sense to me. Already lost all my profit on one account. I was up $1,500, and then lo and behold, of course, I get wicked out while being in profit. You believe that shit, man. You believe that shit. And I come into the market again, 50 different rejections off New York and overnight, and nothing. Like, that just doesn't make any sense to me. Collection of ice, giant ice wall, no pressure downward, one liquidity level at 69.25. Unless there's liquidity building. I mean, look at all that liquidity to the downside. Sweeping overnight in New York. Can't break past this ice wall. Like, I don't understand. It's like the picture perfect setup. Every time. It's the right analysis, but yet something has to go wrong. Like, I don't get it. Coming down into overnight. Stuck at overnight. breaking past down overnight at New York. And buyers are stepping back in. More sell ice. More sell ice. Broke under New York. Failing to break under New York. Finally did it. Back at break even again. Something. We get to eat. It's nice. Uh, This actually might go through. There's actually more sellers than buyers this time when we broke past under opening range low. Never mind. I got fucked yet again. $212 sell icebergs. We're back at overnight in New York. Broke above overnight in New York again. Been in this position for about an hour now. We got literally zero volume. We're stuck in a 8-point range. Breaking past overnight in New York again. Back in New York. Back at overnight. Fuck this shit. Can we see some kind of seller movement? Price doesn't even fucking move an inch. Are you kidding me? This may actually be one of the most worst price action days I've ever seen. I mean, dude, we cannot move fucking 5 points. 5 fucking points. We can't move 5 points. We rejected overnight in New York like maybe 100 times. And I'm not even like kidding. There was 100 wicks off of. I can't do this shit anymore, man. This doesn't hit. I'm taking like 2 weeks off or something because this is ridiculous. This is actually fucking ridiculous. Fucking finally something. And immediately gets reversed. Okay. My first TP is a limit buy at 10 contracts for 69.10. So without that little level of liquidity right there, anticipating it hits it and either goes directly up Our headset, and we continue moving downward. Literally took 0.2 points away. One point away. Or 0.25 away. Literally one tick away from TP. That's actually unfucking believable. One tick away from TP, and I get fucking killed. One fucking tick? Are you fucking serious? One fucking tick. Can you believe that shit? Right here. That was my TP. One tick. I need one fucking tick. You got to be shitting me. You got to be shitting me. One tick away. One tick away. I couldn't get one tick. I genuinely cannot believe this shit. One tick away again. Again. Two ticks away, 3 ticks away. One tick away. Finally. $177 input icebergs. terrible. I'm up $142 on my position. 188 icebergs. Completely swept that low. Because we're retracing back up. I'll just get to this volume node again. Low-key might switch to options, man. This is fucking terrible. Could have done some fucking Microsoft calls. Made like a bag. Probably get to 6907. It's extremely highlighted. Like a big area of volume in it. It's all cleared up, so should be coming down to this. This is getting full. Buyers want to push price up, they have to come to here. Alright, this volume now is fully packed. Come under it and come to this place. 6907. Or not. Let me completely reverse. Dude, I don't know how Seba trades this, dude. This is terrible. I was in 20 cons and I can only make $100, bro. Because we move 1 point up and down. Got some directional movement. Coming down to 69.07. That's the low of day. Can't even come down to low of day. Come on, just fucking push lower. We have buyers at 69.09. Got sellers at 69.08 as well. I mean, buyers at 69.08. Another limit buy at 69.07. I'm gonna get out for half of what I already am in. I'm in for 10 cons. All right. And then finals take profits at 6,900, which is the next target. Looks like we're chooching down there. This move should be no problem. All right, hit daily profit target. I did call it from the beginning. Fucking just took 20 years to do it. So if it wasn't for the random consumer report, I would have hit that right away. But I was in at 9 in the morning and then saw that we're not getting past this. So I added in 5 more. Finally got the rejection of overnight in New York. And average fill price was at lower opening range. That was my stop. TP right about here. So I caught 10 points. Puts me up 370 on this account. This account I only need 2,500. I did short YM. Did not work. But my original account, that's not it. Sorry. So yeah, I took a big loss today. I got spiked out in the beginning. I mean, that was just completely ridiculous. I was in here. getting in and out, and then boom, just completely got wrecked. There was nothing I could have done. Random consumer report came out, or right before it. So before the even report that came out, I got spiked out for whatever that was, an 8-point candle or whatever. Yeah, like 10-point candle. Got completely spiked out, and there's nothing I could have done. Lost all my profit on this account. Kind of sucks. It is what it is. But I bought this instant account for like $150. So max payout on this is $1,000. But to be honest, guys, I might just take a break from trading. That because I can't deal with this stuff anymore, man. I mean, just the constant terrible price action, or I'm just getting spiked out by random news events. I mean, it wasn't even detailed that there was, consumer report coming out today. It was supposed to be a no news Tuesday. Could have been an easy TP hit if it wasn't for that random spike. I mean, but like, what the hell am I supposed to do about it? Yeah. There's just nothing I could do. Let's see if I can make my money back on that account. But for now, it seems like that account's just looking to just die. It's a dying account. But better than trading NQ. I mean, NQ's more volatile, of course. But, I mean, I'm glad I didn't fucking trade NQ instead. I mean, it's only 80 points, 90 points, or when it was open. I mean, it's just a bunch of bullshit, man. I'm even reluctant for buying this account. If I'm gonna be frank, I didn't want to, but I did anyways. I mean, it was just a picture perfect setup, guys. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, look how many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20. 23 times we rejected overnight in New York. 23 fucking times. And it took, what, an hour and a half to make $370? Like, I can't do this shit anymore, man. I can't do this shit. Yesterday was complete fucking bullshit. Just completely getting lied to by like NQ indicators. Completely lied to. Oh, now volume picks up. That's nice. I mean, and then today I get completely fucked by a random news candle and also 5 minutes before it came out, I would have known, I would have got out, but wasn't there. And now, I mean, I'm down one account from yesterday. My main account's down $1,500 or $1,200 or whatever it may be. And then I'm on a brand new account again. Like, I don't know what the fuck to do anymore. Shit's all pissing me off at this point. But hope you guys enjoyed me fucking getting fucked by ES. But whatever.